YouTube, yo, what's going on with y'all, man? It's your boy Vaughn, and it's been a long time, but I'm back in here with another video, man. 2026, man. You know, my bad. I took a long break. Life got in between. You know how it is. But 2026, I'm back, ready to rock, and like I'm better than I'm better than I've ever been. You know, so. Hey, damn it feels good to be back, though. I'm not gonna lie. Man, I had a rough couple of months. It's been crazy. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, today really ain't about me. I got this new joint, this new ride, this new e-bike. I want y'all to check out. We're gonna go ride it around, give y'all some insights on it, and see if you like it. But I will tell you, this ain't no average e-bike. Custom build, made by myself, by my company. By the way, this video is sponsored by Motion Brothers. So, if you need detailing for your car, etc., plane, plane, train, whatever. I was gonna say plane crash. I don't know why. It was a plane crash like the other day, right off of 95. It's crazy. But yeah, let's show you how to bike. Pull up in the garage. Here we go right here. It's my baby. Custom build, man. You know. Notice I got the 3M sticker on that mug. This is no advertisement for Buddy Club, but I was just letting you know I do have the Buddy Club high quality motor sports equipment sticker on my bike. Like I said, this is no advertisement, so Buddy Club, sponsor me. But anyway, yeah, man, we got the e-bike. By the way, this thing is a 58. I wish. No, it's a 48V. Let's see. I've done enough talking about it. Let's pull it out. .48V, 50 miles per hour. This is my all black Gotham Mayhem Batman edition e-bike. Pretty tough, right? Custom build. Gotta tell you, I got 7 of these things, but all of them ain't equipped like this one. This one is actually the only one that goes 50. Got my custom sticker and tag on there. Nope, I'm not rich, by the way, but I thought it was a funny joke. Custom build for Motion Brothers. United Motion Brothers. So, safe to say before I get off into this video, if you're rocking with me, please go smash on that subscribe button. And also, be sure to hit the notification bell button so therefore you can be notified every time I drop a video. Video is sponsored by Motion Brothers, I told you that, so let's go. By the way, I'm looking for more people to ride with, so if you are in the Brevard County area, Florida, Melbourne area, Cocoa Beach, Merritt Island. Yo, hit me up in the DMs of YouTube or in the comments, and let me know, man, so we can schedule a ride, get a group together, and let's do it. You know, we'll do probably like nothing crazy, 2-mile ride. We'll go to like not a decent spot, some park, you know, talk some crap, show the bikes off, etc. By the way, this is not only for bikes, e-bikes. This is also for if you have a go-kart, if you have a moped, if you have an e-scooter, you know, anything that's not a car, well, and that's not motorized. Well, I can't say not motorized, because if you have a 50cc mini bike, I mean, you could pull up too. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you qualify for the ride with us. So, but so if you don't have like a car or, you know, dirt bikes and all that crap, pull up. This ride is just for guys and women and people who just have electrical vehicles, and we're trying to actually create, like, you know, a market like of hanging out, man, with the e-bikes and etc. Okay, so don't be scared, man. Hit me up. But anyway, here we go. I'm finna go ahead and I'm finna take that ride. I'm on. I normally have my other phone right here, but I'm not gonna bring it today. Let's just do it. Let's just do it like night. All right, so I'm gonna start off in gear 3. Matter of fact, take it down. Take it down to 1. Nice torque at gear 1. It's a half twist throttle, but I like it. This bike has been my bike for like a year now, so hey, for people who can only have like a good $1,500 to $2,000, you can buy this bike. I ain't really tripping about no Sur-Ron and all that crap. I just want to be able to ride around, you know, commute to going to work, going to the grocery store, whatever, you know, or hell, just riding around, you know, just to ride. Somebody's about to go dirt biking. We at the highway here, and we took it up to 2. See what that does. Yeah. On your highway here, guys. I don't know if I want to go left or right or opposite, right or left. Hey, let's go. Now, I'm at the highway, so you might not hear me that good. Spare me. But it also heats up until on 20 now, since we at the second. So, you know. Wonder what's going on here. Can't see that much, but 21, 22. Now, I told y'all this thing go 50 miles per hour, so go ahead and pull off over here. see, I have, what, how many miles is that? Damn, I be riding. Let's take it up a notch. Take it up a notch. You know? Normally I have my cameraman, but he was unable to be here with me today, and he also won't have a camera. I mean, an e-bike right now. Y'all know D-Lo, that's my brother, my blood brother. Came out the same beep. So hey, I love him to death, man. But that's my cameraman, all-time cameraman, man. He couldn't be here today. He got other stuff to do. Hey, people got their own life. And like I said, he had an e-bike prior, but he broke his, and I'm trying to get another one. So he wouldn't be able to catch up with me today to even make this video. So I'm doing it by myself. It's all right. It's all right. Sometimes you gotta do it yourself, man. It's all good, man. So right now I'm in front of the car wash. I can't let y'all know too many locations, man. But I'll let y'all know when we get all the way down the strip. Let's do it. Traffic finally letting up. And they wondering who the hell am I with this camera. Yeah, normally I'm supposed to have a helmet on with the camera on the helmet. So I don't have that. But that wasn't gonna stop me. I was still gonna go ahead and say, you know what? I'm not gonna complain about what I don't got. I'm just gonna cut the camera on and go ahead and just do it. You know? Just do it like Nike, man. Ooh, y'all hear that? That's torque. And I'm on level 3. I mean, I'm on gear 3. Let's get out of the way. Yeah, because she was slinging that motherfucker. I don't even know if this is legal. Can I hold a phone and fucking ride, even on a bike? Like, you would think that has something to do with driving and, like, not being on the road full time occupied. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, hopefully I don't get a fat ticket. But we're definitely gonna get that tripod for the helmet, so I can do these videos a little easier. Oh shoot, tight squeeze. But y'all hear that? But y'all hear it though. Y'all hear it though. Stop playing. We was at where we was at. Hold on, let's speed up again. Oh come on. All the cars. I'm gonna keep slowing me down. Because they gotta come across the sidewalk and I'm going super fast on the sidewalk. Sidewalk. Dang, I know you hear it. I know you hear it. That's all electric, folks. I'm not even on gear 5 yet. It's got 5 gears, by the way. 5 gears. Now, this video really ain't about getting you to buy this bike. This is letting you know. Here at Motion Brothers, aka Mad Vlogs, aka your boy Bond. Anything I do is tune. It's lit. It's hip. Whatever you want to call it. I ain't trying to be cocky. For the people who know me from Vaughn Too Motivated, I changed the name to I'm Mad Vlogs, by the way. I'm sure you see it. Yeah, because I liked the name Motivated, but it was like, I ain't always motivated, but I do have mad vlogs. So I changed the name. I like Mad Vlogs better. So what you think I'm doing right now? Giving you a Mad Vlog. E-bike. I call this my Batman e-bike. Obviously, it's that Bruce Wayne edition. When I'm riding through your city, you can't even, like, it's just so I can say, just so cooped up. Like, I'm like so incognito with this mug, you know what I'm saying? Like, and then it's kind of fancy, but then it's like, it's all black. I just feel like Bruce Wayne sometimes, you know what I'm saying? Right on the side of cars, there's a bike lane. And look, it says 30. Oh, look at all that glass. Fuck no. Hopefully I'll be alright. Strolling through your neighborhood. You should pull up at the shop, man, to see what you're talking about. But I don't know if you like cameras, so. Damn, more glass, more glass. His van, he done wrapped his, did he wrap his van? Look guys, that's the e-bike shop right there. I'm not sure if he wrapped his van, but we might have to turn around and come back. I don't know if that's, alright, so anyway, I got a mechanic for the e-bikes. We have a whole shop. Forgot to mention. We have a whole fucking shop, bro. Yeah. Got a guy named Richard. He is like my technician for the e-bikes. When I say I built the e-bike, I meant we built the e-bike, custom made. Like I said, we got a whole shop for him. He looks like he's there. I haven't been around the shop in a minute, so it's like it's been at least a good month and a half. So it's like, I don't know if it looks like his van, but it looks like he wrapped it. Yeah, we wrapping minivans. But anyway, I'm gonna have to double back around and see what he's talking about. filming me with like the camera and like a golf cart going super fast as hell, and we like basically look like we making a movie. That would be tough, right? Alright, so we're pulling up. Let's see what the hell going on. Right here. Just lost control of it. Wow, it's that much torque. So, like I said, not sure if he's here or if he wrapped his van or whatever the case may be. But here is the shop, guys. I don't think this is his van. Now that I look at it, it says laundry. But here's the bike. But yeah, this is the shop right here. Electrocycles. Pull up, Cocoa, Florida. Off of Fizz Boulevard. Pull up, man, if you want an e-bike. This is where we make the custom builds. This is where we can get you some insight on what's going on with your e-bike. You can hit us up or you can hit him up, because he has the time. He would definitely deal with you way more than I would. Obviously, I'm full-time YouTubing. But anyway, you hit him up. I don't think he's open. Not open. But nope, not open, because I gotta call him. So I thought this was his van, but it's not his van. It's the laundromat van. But it's okay. Like I said, Electrocycles or whatever. Pull up. This is what it looked like. You know, come on down. We'll love to serve you. Get you an e-bike. So back to that Batman edition e-bike. We haven't got up to 50 yet, but I'm getting close to showing y'all how this baby go, you know. So yeah, let's go. Go ahead and take it up to gear 5 so I can show y'all what's going on. Alright, so gear 5, we gotta beat this glass and all this fucking ongoing traffic. Sorry for my language. It's the glass. It really what are you doing? Glass really pisses me off because one day it's not here and then all of a sudden overnight it's here. It's like people be purposely throwing it out here on the ground or something. It's like, jeez. I'm gonna go ahead and get on the sidewalk because I don't really want to ride in the road, especially with all this glass. You might as well stay in the sidewalk. You're gonna have to deal with all this glass. Show y'all, man. Dang, I was hauling. Bro, I forgot to show y'all. See, I wasn't even paying no attention to the speedometer, to be honest. Bro, I was hauling. Woo! But listen, I know you hear it. I know you hear it. I'm trying to keep the camera steady, y'all. I'm sorry. I'm trying to keep the camera steady. I'm using my phone, so it's like, and then I'm trying to hold it without a tripod. And you gotta come on. If you know what I'm talking about, man, it is so hard to do something with one hand and like, especially hold a camera. So let's make sure we don't get hit by cars, because I am kind of like not paying attention to the signs. So I'm in the wrong, but let's make sure we stay safe, guys. Stay safe. You're on your e-bike, wear your helmet. If you have a car, wear your seatbelt. Too many lives are lost for stupidity and people not, just not being safe. So it's 2026. Lock it down, folks. Oh, there goes police. Hold the camera down. I don't think I can ride like that. Oh, I seen 12, but I had to put the camera down. I didn't think I could ride like that. So I gotta go look this up, man. Am I allowed to hold a camera and drive? I'm pretty sure I'm not. You can't text and drive, but like holding the camera is kind of like the same but different, because like holding the camera, you kind of still can see the road more than texting. I don't know, it's but at the same time, you shouldn't have nothing in your hand while you're operating a vehicle. So it's kind of common sense to say no, it's prohibited. Both hands. You need both hands on your steering wheel. You need both hands on the handlebars at all times. So why would you be able to hold a camera and drive? So I think I just answered my own question. So I need to go get a tripod or something. I need to mount something to the bike or mount something to my head, and start doing it the right way as quick as possible, because I don't want to keep vlogging like this, or else you guys are going to see me get pulled over quite a bit, and hopefully they don't give me any tickets, but who knows. On the bike. When I say sweet, man, pause. I said sweet guy on the bike. What the fuck? Cool dude on the bike. That's what I meant. Cool guy on the bike, not sweet guy. Pause. Pause, man. I was thinking about something else but I seen the guy, but I was thinking about something else. I was thinking about some candy or something. So when I said sweet, I was thinking about, like, yeah, you catch the drift. Hey man, not only let a young brother go across the street, man. I know I'm on the e-bike, man, but dang, man. At least I ain't on a regular bike. Anyway, if you are on a regular bike, it's okay, man. It's okay. But we are in 2026, man, and bikes have motors, man. So like, Bro, get you a bike with a motor. You can have a motor or you can have a electric motor. But you gotta stop riding the bike manually, man. You know? It's expired, you know? You have e-bikes. Like I said, I'm looking for folks to ride with, man. Anybody out there who lives close, I'm just gonna say anybody who lives as far as Cocoa Beach, Merritt Island, downtown Cocoa, drop inside, pause. Jump inside the DMs, jump inside the comments, let me know where you at, let me know if you're close, holler at me if you want to schedule a ride so we can go ahead and schedule it. And pull these bikes out and just ride, man. Get us a whole little e-bike cult going, you know what I'm saying? Since we got the motorcycles doing their thing, the dirt bikes, obviously, you got cars, you got car shows and car rides. Man, what about the electrical bicycles, man? Let's start something here, guys. Come on, I think they're doing it in California already with the Surons and motor scooters. So let's do it with the e-bikes. Let's do it. That's what's wrong with Brevard County. A lot of people don't come out much. And I think it's because nobody gives the invitation of saying, hey, I'm friendly, pull up. If you always wanted to get into some action, like some good, healthy fun, and like just like you see on TV, here I am. I'm trying to be the host of an event that could possibly get people out of the house. Look, here we go right now. We got a scooter right here. The kid. Yeah, he's riding the scooter. Yeah. Hey. But yeah. Yeah, so here I am saying, hey man, if you want to hang out, you want to ride your bike, e-bikes, pull up on me, hit me up. Well, hit me up so I can schedule a place and a time, and we can go and pull up there, meet up, talk crap, and just ride, man. Just ride. I can't see over that hill. Let's go. Hopefully they don't fuck me up. Hey, who's that? I'm glad I pulled off. I know who the hell that is. I'm glad I pulled off in time. Trucker, he beeped at me. I don't know what I did. I wasn't doing that. I guess he was just saying hi. He sees a guy with a whole camera or a phone trying to record and ride a bicycle. So I don't know. Maybe I know him. Maybe I don't. All right, so yeah, I got another e-bike coming soon. I'm not gonna really tell you when because I don't really know when, but coming soon. When we bring it to the channel, all I want to do is customize it, deck it out. You know, obviously I'm gonna put some money into the bike, and then put it on the street. So if you guys want to ride, let me know. If you're close, you know. I don't want you to have to come out of your way to come. That's why I say close. I don't want you to have to come from, you know, out of your way to, you know, just to come down here to ride with me. I don't think anybody would do that anyway, but don't do that. That's why I'm asking for people who close. Well, probably gonna take off here, y'all. Catch y'all in the next vlog. You know, when you catch me on another e-bike, and whenever you got your e-bike, hit me up. I'm ready to ride. Anytime, any place, anywhere, whatever, let's do it. You know, so. Oh, so yeah, there you have it. Custom build from me to you. Gotham Mayhem version, Batman edition, e-bike.
Damn, Jose, it's really shiny though.
Go.
And she young, won't have fun. And she young,